Welcome to TikTok Ads Mastery, how to create viral campaigns that sell. You're about to unlock one of the most explosive advertising platforms available today. This course isn't just about running ads, it's about transforming your business by tapping into TikTok's unparalleled virality. Over the next lessons, you will master everything you need to launch and scale high-profitable TikTok ad campaigns. You will learn how to navigate the TikTok Ads Manager dashboard with confidence, understanding every ad type and objective from generating leads for services, like additional marketing agencies' free sessions, to driving direct product sales, advanced targeting strategies to reach your exact ideal customer with TikTok's powerful AI, the secrets to creating scroll-stopping video creatives that grab attention instantly. Even if you have no video editing experience, a step-by-step guide to setting up and launching your very first campaign, crucial techniques for optimizing your ads, lowering costs, and scaling your results, and lastly, how to analyze your performance data to continually improve and achieve a massive return on ad spend. So what do you need to get the most out of this course? First, a desire to grow your business through cutting-edge advertising. Second, a computer with internet access. All our practical lessons use screen recordings directly within the TikTok Ads Manager so you can follow along easily. And finally, an active TikTok account, ideally a business account, to practice the steps we'll walk through. No prior ad experience is required. We start from the fundamentals and build up your expertise. This course is designed to be highly practical, with clear, actionable steps you can implement immediately. Get ready to transform your marketing, captivate your audience, and drive unparalleled sales on TikTok. Let's begin your journey to TikTok Ads Master.